Hey, what's up fellas, Mechanic Mo here. A new video for my YouTube channel, and today guys I will show you how to remove the rear differential on 2014, 13, 14 up to 2019 Ford Escape. It's all-wheel drive, so we have a differential in the back right here. As you know, probably you know already, that knocking noise every time you turn the steering wheel. This is coming from your differential. Most of the times there's some couple of moments where it can be something else. Drive shaft, front transfer case, and a lot of things. You can find on the internet. Everything could cause your knocking noise while driving. This one certainly it's the differential. So I'll go over each stuff I did already, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do next, so you guys can do it as fast as possible, because I did a lot of research. I start removing it. Make sure you know what you're doing and you are safe and you are a professional while doing this, because all that it's not completely safe. So make sure you are doing this right, safe, and you have a helper. All right guys, let's go. I can't believe Ford made this car so complicated. In order to replace the differential, you got to take the whole rear suspension assembly out with the cross member, whatever it is. That thing has to come out with a spring, with right here, with the knuckle. Everything has to come out. So let's go guys. Here I removed the sway bar link, because you need space to push the bar down to remove the axle. What I did unscrew the bolt right here. It's a reverse Torx. The bolts are here, just like that. 4 bolts you have to take out. Remove the axle, remove the nut, remove this control arm, take everything out, remove the caliper holder. Everything has to come out. Disconnect the shock, disconnect all the wires and connectors. There's a connector right here, goes right there. You gotta remove that too. You gotta remove this hose right here from there, right there. You gotta take this off, because this comes with this wire, goes all the way here inside to the on top of the differential. Yeah, what else? I'm gonna do the same thing here. I just started second thing. So I'm gonna take the caliper out, the holder, rotor, brakes, everything comes out. The shock, like I said, front control arm. Oh, also you gotta guys unplug and remove the speed sensor. Yeah, as you see here, you gotta take the connector out, disconnect, and also get itself the speed sensor out. And then what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna take the wheel hub out and disconnect the rear right axle. Same thing I will repeat on the left side, and then I will show you guys what I'm gonna do next. You'll need a stand to drop the whole assembly down. And then now we can remove. See how it start coming out? Take the wheel hub out. It's all safe. Speed sensor removed. And then we take the axle out. And guys, the wheel hub is removed. It's all good and safe. Take the section, and here we go. See how it's perfect fitting toward this. So what you want to do is put a bar here and unlock it, remove it, and it comes out through this hole. All right guys, so this thing comes out right here. I use that thing, unlock it, and then you move out, just like that. Moving it out, comes out. You see what I was saying? If you don't remove this, you're not gonna be able to remove it. So, boom. That's it. One axle out. So, same thing we do on the right side. Repeat, and then, all right, guys. For the drive shaft, use T45. Okay, so you can just unscrew it, and then unlock the transmission. Drop a little bit of the car, put it in neutral. Don't start it, just put it in neutral. Turn the drive shaft, remove the rest of the bolts on top, and then you're going to be able to drop the whole cross member down. Okay, so this is removed. As you see, it's moving. All the bolts remains on it. They are attached. So easy go. So by system, they tell us to take the springs out, which I don't see a reason. I think we can remove everything just like that. So what you're gonna need is a extension and 15 millimeters. And as you see right there is a bolt. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, right there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put toward this whole extension and get all the way to the bolt and unscrew it. Unscrew it now, because we'll have left to unscrew just this one, and everything is gonna be dropped down. So that's what I say, unscrew now, so everything is gonna be holding by 2 bolts. I drop the car. I'm gonna explain you something before I show you what I'm doing there. You guys can use something like that. That's what you actually have to use. Mine right now is in repair. I gotta replace the oil and a seal. So you definitely need something like that, as you see, to basically grab the whole cross member with the differential and be able to unscrew these bolts and drop the whole cross member same time with the differential, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna experiment. I put 3 jack stands, a piece of wood here, all right, and then here, this one is really safe. They just gonna grab the cross member. So you guys, like I said, you definitely want to use something like that, a transmission stand removal, wherever it is, or I have no idea how you call that, but that's definitely what you want to use. If you want to do just like me, like I said, you want to make sure you place it in the right place. As you see right here, it's gonna be grabbing the cross member. So let's try, see how it goes. Okay guys, so I found something that you have to remove. It's right here. This is the exhaust holder. And if you can see it right here, that you guys have to take it off. All right guys, so right here, this is holding it. I replaced the piece of wood with a brake pad, just the right size I need. Same thing here. All right, so let's do this. Let's start unscrew the nuts. That's it. Now let's take it off. You see what I'm saying? Everything comes out. You definitely want to make sure everything is safe. You don't have nothing attached, right? Everything is cool. Same thing on this side. Everything is holding. It's a little bit it's moving, but that's good. I'm pretty sure this thing stands really safe. Okay, guys, so you see, if you be able to move, if this thing comes out, this thing it stands really right and tight. All right, so let's see how, guys, everything comes out. Here we go. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3, 4, and the whole differential comes out. I gotta remove this hose here and the connector, and good to go. Let's replace it. Alright, guys, so here we go. Connector out, hose disconnected. So, like I said, for removing this bolt, you guys will need a T50. You'll need a T55. You can see it right here. Right. Don't forget to hold the nut behind. So it's a 18 millimeter. And something like that. Just like that, guys. The differential is out. This is a old differential. It's done. It has a 150,000 miles. Here is the differential bay, how it looks like. And here is a used with 50,000 miles. It's inspected and has a warranty, so it's ready to go. I'm gonna install this in there, put everything back together. Exactly way I removed it, this goes back together. All the control arms, sway bar links, wheel hubs, axles, blah blah blah. Fill up the new differential with OEM Ford differential fluid and give it a try. I know for sure 100% this thing is gonna work just very, very well. All right, fellas, that was mechanic mode. I think this was a nice video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, because I always try to help you out, guys, and I always post new videos every week. See you next time, guys.